Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique gift idea perfect for celebrating the 80th birthday of a loved one. We're talking about the vintage 1944 embroidered baseball cap from IORTY RTTY. Let's see why this might just be the best birthday gift for an 80-year-old. This cap is more than just a hat. It's a stylish commemoration of a milestone birthday. Made from a blend of 50% cotton and 50% polyester, it offers a soft, skin-friendly feel, ensuring comfort throughout the day. The adjustable metal buckle at the back ensures a perfect fit for most head sizes, making it practical and versatile. The vintage 1944 embroidery on the front adds a touch of elegance and nostalgia, making it a meaningful gift. The hat's craftsmanship is evident with its mature stitching and attention to detail. Whether it's for everyday wear or a special occasion, this cap blends fashion with sentimentality. Featuring 6 ventilation holes, it's not just about style but practicality too. It keeps you cool during outdoor activities like sports or leisurely strolls in the park. The wide sides provide extra sun protection, making it ideal for sunny days. If you're looking for a thoughtful and unique gift for an 80-year-old, this cap stands out. It combines quality, style, and functionality in a way that's perfect for celebrating a milestone like an 80th birthday. To wrap it up, the vintage 1944 embroidered baseball cap from IORTY RTTY is more than just a hat. It's a symbol of celebration and nostalgia. Whether it's for your dad, mom, friend, or colleague turning 80, this gift is sure to bring a smile to their face. Don't forget to check the link in the description to find out more about this wonderful birthday gift option. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on unique products like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.